All right. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Today, what I will discuss is all about our accounting software, where I am the CFO and the co-founder, of this Fast Tax Accounting Made Easy. In this Fast Tax, basically we do the basic or the accounting system. We do journal entries up to the FS preparations, para mas mapadali, ang inyong pagre-record ng ating FS, so for me it is very easy, to have this accounting information system, and now because of the accounting system, because of the software that we are using now, mas madali na, hindi gaya dati that we are using our manual system, which is what you call columnar pad, or our journal entries. Okay, so let's begin first, so ano bang ibig sabihin, nitong fast tax? Okay, so or our information system, so fast tax. So I will of course, first thing, we have here our, of course, my email address, and then also my password, all right, don't worry, we'll discuss muna one by one, So, if you notice, in terms of this system, so we have your sales, cash sales. Under this, you have your account receivable, you have your create quotations, you have customers, you have also your expense and purchase, that like the inventory purchase, the accounts payable, suppliers expense, the FS or the FA or the financial accounting, chart of accounts, the manual journals, and FS. Siguro for now, what I will do first is about your sales, So ano ba ang nasa sales, If you notice. So ano ba yung nasa sales natin, sa sales natin? So una, estimates muna, okay? So in terms of estimates, if you click estimates, it's time to send estimates to your customers. So ilan ba yung ilalagay mo, An estimate is used to create a bid, proposal, or quote, or the estimate can be later be turned into sales order. So ngayon, ano lang tayo, more on estimate. O magkano ba yung ini-estimate mo, particularly for the draft, delivered, approved, rejected, invoice, expired, and closed, So, ibig sabihin, let's say we have new estimate, So, customer's name, let's say, Mr. Michael Lopo. Ako lang naman to, di ba? Alright, so, halimbawa, estimate date. Okay, so, kailan mo siya i-deliver or expiration. Let's say ngayon, May 14, 2024. Then, expiration date, let's say, after a month na lang, So, 6/14, okay? Then, estimate number 001. Let's say, sige, 0001 na lang, Alright, so that would be, so depende yan, class, enter an item. Halimbawa, you are doing accounting books, alright, product or services. Let's say product or service, since it is a review center, let's say tuition fee na lang. Alright, so as part of your tuition fee, since it is, sige, goods na lang, goods. So you have accounting book. So I will put here accounting book and description, let's say book na lang, Lopo book. Ayan, so bahala kayo, kung ano yung product nyo, quantity 1. Okay, so you have, I put here 1, wala lang discount. Ayan, total amount, let's say 500 pesos lang, So 500 would be, okay, yan. Discount, wala naman. Then we have 500, let's say the amount, remove the item, wag na, Yan. So, ibig sabihin, class, ito yung estimate mo, Alright, so particularly for this, ito lang yung amount, Quantity ay 1, Rate mo, let's say 500 pesos. Yan, so 500 pesos. Okay? So, just save. Okay, ano ba to? Nawala. So, let's say accounting book. Alright, so accounting book. So, put accounting book here. Now, by the way, sige, lakihan natin. Okay, lakihan natin. Alright, so again, you have your customer's name, put the name of your customers, then estimate date, 5/14 after 30 days, your estimate number, accounting book, wala po ba? Yan, so let's say accounting book, o create accounting book as part of your item name. So, ibig sabihin, let's say, item book, Alright, accounting book, no? Since we are a review center. Alright, yan. So, save mo na lang. Kasi selling price is 500 and save na lang. Okay? Alright. Ayaw pa din. Okay, cost price, let's say 300. Okay? So, you have save. Alright, so again, so you put here, accounting book. Malamang meron na yan. Yan, ito na yan. Alright, so 500, save and delivered. Alright, if you notice, it is draft pa lang, no? All pa lang, no? So, ibig sabihin, estimated pa lang to, no? Delivered by 001. Okay? So, ganun lang, ha? Alright, so in terms of your sales. Now, again, I will discuss first about sales. Halimbawa, invoice na. Alright, so, the invoice na, let's say, new sales invoice. Ito class ay magiging sales na class, di ba? Mr. John Michael Lopo pa din. Due date niya, invoice date is 5/14. Ito ay part of your account receivable. Let's say 30 days tayo. Alright, let's say 6/14. Invoice number 002-00002. Okay? Let's say tayo ay nagbebenta ng accounting book pa din. Okay? Okay, description, Lopo. Okay, let's say nagbumili tayo ng dalawa. Di ba? 500 pesos yung nilagay ko. So, ibig sabihin, you have 1,000. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, save and deliver. Alright. Class, ito yung ating invoices, no? Alright. If you go to the reports, and if you go to the journal entry, please take note, mayroon tayong entry dito, no? So, you debit here, account receivable, and you credit here, sales of the product income. Diba? So, nakaset up to class ng 5001, no? So, if you go also to the to your profit or loss, if you notice, 1,000. Okay? Nasaan class, no? Nasaan yung estimated? Wala dito yung estimated. Okay? Nandito lang class, no? Nandito lang class yung ating actual invoice. Okay? Ayan. So, what else? So, malamang in terms of your trial balance, nandyan na yan, no? So, for sure, no? Trial balance, 1,000, account receivable, and 1,000 sales of the product item. Okay? So, nandyan na sa trial balance. And also, nandito rin siya sa ating, for sure, balance sheet as part of your account receivable. Total assets of 1,000 and liabilities and equity. Diba? It is very easy, no? Particularly first, tayo ay nasa sales pa lang, no? Sales. Okay. Alright. So, next one. Very important also here, no? In terms of the sales is your receipts. Ano naman yung receipts class, no? Wait, first, no? Receipts. Sabi, create a sales receipt anytime your customer immediately pays for the product or at the item. Kanina, if you notice, no? Kanina, if you notice, ang entry natin ay debit account receivable and credit our sales of a product income or product item because it is an account receivable. Ito naman is more on ito naman ay more on sales na, no, or cash sales. So we put here new receipt again. Okay? Sige, magharap naman tayo, no? Harap naman tayo ng ibang pangalan, no? Hindi lang naman si Michael Lopo. Let's say Joseph. Alright, Joseph Lopo. Okay? So, let's say Joseph Lopo. First name. Pag wala pa class, so you can create no, customer's name. Joseph Lopo. Yan. Company name, ARS pa din. For example, the ARS. Let's say, CPA Review Center na lang. Or JCPA Review Center. JCPA. Halimbawa lang, no? Then you can put his customer email name. Okay, currency, Philippine peso. Yan, save tayo. Display name, Joseph Lopo. Okay, save. Alright. So, ibig sabihin class, select customer's name, Joseph Lopo. Okay? Deposit account, let's say, siya ay nagbayad through cash. Okay? So, we have cash. Receipt 001, reference number 0001. Bahala kayo class, ha? Alright, let's say, again, accounting book pa din para mas madali, no? Bumili ng accounting book, description niya, Lopo book na naman. Sikat na ako class, sikat, no? Let's say, quantity, binili niya ay 5 piraso. 2.5, ibig sabihin, 2,500, save and close. Okay? So class, go to our to our reports, balance sheet pa din. Class, if you notice, part na siya ng ating cash. Cash of 25, account receivable of 1,000. Your current assets is 35, assets mo ay 35, then we have net income, yes, no? Kasi nga product income siya, no? 35. Ibig sabihin, cash sales and your receivable. Cash sales and credit sales. Okay. If you go naman to your trial balance, ganun din, no? Account receivable, then you have product items, then you have cash. So maybe I will arrange this one, no? So dapat mauuna yung cash, no, with this. So we will arrange this one na dapat mauuna yung cash, particularly for our trial balance because of the liquidity. Nagka-error lang to, no? 2.5 dapat nasa taas yan because cash is the most liquid of all. Okay? What else? Also, very important here is your journal. If you notice, may journal entry dito, no? Account receivable, product item, cash 2.5, and sales of the product item 2.5, no? Okay? If you go also to the general ledger, profit or loss, ganun din, 3.5 would be our net operating income. If you go to the cash flow, yan, may cash flow na, no? Net income of 3.5, adjustment of the AR of 1,000, 2.5. Net cash provided by the operating is 2.5 because of the net cash increase for the period. Wala kasi tayong increase, no? Alright, yan. So, ganun lang class, ha? So, 2.5 would be cash at the end because of your net income. Okay? Sakto naman. Parehas sa parehas. So, ganun na class, no? Okay. Next one naman is about, so we are finished now with invoice receipt and payment received. Alam ba, nagbayad na. Receiving payment is one of your more pleasant accounting tasks. The payment transactions will appear once receive payment to the invoice. Babalikan natin. Magkano ba yung utang? So, if you go to your reports, trial balance, 1,000. O, alimbawa, out of 1,000, binayaran na yung 500. What if you will pay now for the 500? Payment received. So, payment received, let's say, customer's account, si Mr. Michael. Let's say, binayaran mo lang ay 5. Class, if you notice, may lumalabas dito. Receive full payment of 1. Kasi 1,000 yung utang ni Mr. Michael Lopo. Alam mo, 500 na yung binayaran, no? Deposit, lalagay mo ko saan mo ilalagay, no? Let's say we put na lang sa cash. Or we can use also our bank account or savings account. Or let's say we will put na lang sa bank account. Okay? Deposit sa bank account. So, out of 1,000, ang babayaran mo ay 500. Ang utang na lang ay 500 save. If you notice, 500 na, no? So, ang utang mo na lang, ang utang ni Mr. Michael Lopo ay 500. If you go to our cash flow, dapat if you go to the balance sheet, dapat, tama, no? Account receivable is now 500, cash is 2.5, bank account is 500. Assets mo is 3.5, liab and equity mo ay 3,500. Alright? So, if you go naman to your trial balance, alright, dapat 1,500, no? Dapat itong 500 ay nasa taas, no? 2.5 and 3.5, same. We will arrange this one, ha? Don't worry. So, we arrange this one. No? It should be based on the liquidity. Okay? And also, based on your cash flow, dapat tumaas na yan. 3,000 na would be your cash because of 2.5 and 500. Nagbayad na tayo ng ating receivables. Okay. So, AR aging, dapat yan. Si Mr. Lopo, you have 500. Alright. So, if you notice, in terms of fast tax, no, we'll discuss first about the sales. No? So, next is we'll report about purchase. Then we'll report about expenses and the overall FS. So, again, thank you and see you all. Bye-bye.